Do you ever wonder if those little personal sustainability actions you take matter? The reusable mugs at work, heat dryer on your dishwasher, or any of the other things that sometimes cause spousal problems. For example, I remember trying to rid the house of disposable paper products. And we worked really hard, and we finally got there, and I was so excited about it. So I went to this online calculator and put in what the lifetime impact would be, and realized I'd burned a marital chit for 1/3 of a tree. Now, what if, in fact, it's not just the actions that take and the impact they have, but what if, in fact, it matters because those actions influence others? And that, in fact, it's part of changing social norms and perhaps even changing society as a whole. What if you could prove that you were part of catalyzing a movement? So my name is Susan Hunt Stevens. I'm the founder and CEO of WeSpire. And 5 years ago, we started on a journey to prove that you could use technology to close the gap between people who say they want to do something to be more sustainable and the people who actually do it. They could use social mechanics, game mechanics, and targeted personalized content to really influence behavior, and then have those behavior changes ripple through a social network. And so what I'm going to present today is actually the first time it's been presented in a public forum. And it represents 2 years of work and looking at inside these networks, is the network effect real? If so, is it powerful? And what are the catalysts behind it? So, first question was, do actions add up? Kind of like snowflakes. And yes, we are from Boston. You can tell we're still recovering. So this is one program. And what we're looking here are the action completion curves. Now, if the network effect is real, you're going to expect to start to see some exponential curves. Or you may see linear curves. We're going to be looking for what happens at the impact. And we can look at these curves for every action in every program and start to see patterns and trends. Let's just watch what happens in this one. When it first starts, you'll see that it's pretty flat, and then it starts to be linear. So it's a little disappointing in the beginning. It's looking more like it's not necessarily an exponential impact. But at the 6-month mark, something crazy happens. The hockey stick starts to kick in. And as you can see, by the 2-year mark, there's been over 3,600 actions taken that save 26 tons of waste. So that's huge impact, and it's looking exponential. And we see that over and over. It starts out linear, but then the exponential effect takes over.